2016. We're doing a break of Panini Revolution 2-box break. Pick your team eBay auction. Several teams are open, so I'm just going to go with who has a team. Jason Leonard has Denver Nuggets, Indiana Pacers, New York Knicks, Sacramento Kings, Toronto Raptors. Chung has the Minnesota Timberwolves, and Sofer has the Orlando Magic. The rest of the teams are open. Alright guys, thanks for getting in. Good luck. Here we go. Box 1. Everyone can hear me okay? Thank you everyone for getting in on today's break. Okay, here we go, guys. Base. First hit. To the Boston Celtics, Icons, Larry Bird. Base. Number 50 out of 100 to the Charlotte Bobcats, Jeremy Lin. Base. To the Boston Celtics, New Wave, Marcus Smart. Trey Lyles, rookie, base. Base. Number 60 out of 75, Al Horford, Atlanta Hawks. Base. To the Chicago Bulls, New Wave, Nikolai Marichik. My hometown team. Base. Last box, guys. There should be an auto in here, or the one box that I sold as a personal got the auto. We pulled a nice booker out of here yesterday. All right, good luck, everybody. Base. To the Denver Nuggets, New Wave, Gary Harris. Tyrus Jones, Minnesota. To the Milwaukee Bucks, Icons, Oscar Robinson. To the Boston Celtics, Evan Turner, 68 out of 75. Devin Booker, rookie auto. Rookie card. To the Philadelphia 76ers, New Waves, Nerlens Noel. All base. Okay, everyone, thanks for getting in on the break. I'll get that uploaded to YouTube, and I'll get these cards shipped out for you guys today. Thank you. This has been Drake from Sports Card.